this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the settings not opening up on your Samsung phone. So there's a couple different ways we can try to access our settings. We can hold down on the home screen just like this, and there's an option for settings right here. And we can see our home screen settings right here, but we can try going back and accessing the settings through here. Then also you have the top right method. We can just go to settings up here, and we can see if we can gain access to our settings through here. But look at all these different buttons as well. Some of these buttons do actually open up settings. So if we go to like the eye comfort shield right here, this will bring us to settings, and we can try accessing settings through there as well. So look at those buttons, swipe on down. Also, make sure you at least power restart your device to see if we can get to that. And then look down here, we have side button settings. We can go to side button settings as well. We can try to access it there. So we got like 3 or 4 different ways. And then also we have search. We can go to settings through here. And then we can try to access settings in here. Now, when you go to this little icon right here, just hold down on it. And then go to the eye in the upper right. And we could try just clearing the cache and force stopping this. So let's go to force stop and see if this will force our settings to open up. So we can also go to the storage options under here as well. So we can go on down now. So let's go to storage, clear cache right here, and then clear the data and see if this gets your settings to open up. Now if that still doesn't work and you've turned off your phone and you restarted it, what you could do is try launching your phone into the safe mode. So we can go to power right here and just hold down on it and launch it into safe mode. Maybe there's an application or something you downloaded that is causing your phone to be weird. Just go ahead and delete some recently downloaded applications or something like that, or run some sort of antivirus. Download that from the Google Play Store when your phone gets into the safe mode. And then the last option would be to factory reset your phone with a cable connected to your PC on your Samsung phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.